What's going on, my fellow nerds? It is day 88 of opening a Pokemon booster pack every single day, and today we're opening the third and final pack. My girlfriend got me a Obsidian Flames pack, and these were from single pack blisters from, I'm assuming, like Walmart or something? Maybe Walgreens. Who knows? We got a Darkness Energy, Glimmet, the penis thing, Finizen, Oddish, Darmanitan, Stoutland from Scotland, Frogadier, Lechonk the pig, Phantump taking a dump, and a Toxtricity. She has no luck for me. Holographic. If you're new to the channel, please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.